Okay, big update coming in from Ladakh. The third round of Lieutenant General level talks between India and China could be held tomorrow or the day after, certainly this week. This time it's being held in Chushul on the Indian side. The first two rounds of these meetings, which happened on June 6th and June 22nd, took place in Moldo, which is on the Chinese side of the Chushul sector. This time, it's happening on the Indian side. The agenda is to take forward the disengagement proposals that are already under discussion. I want to go straight across to India Today's defense editor, who's on the front lines in Ladakh, reporting for India Today. Abhishek, third crucial round of talks between the two Lieutenant Generals, Major General Lin Liu and Lieutenant General Harinder Singh, taking place in Chushul this time instead of Moldo. Take us through what's on the table.
It's important, Shiv, that this dialogue is happening within a week of the previous talks that took place on the 22nd of June. Sources tell me that in all likelihood the talks are scheduled for tomorrow in Chushul. They should be starting at around 11:30. But of course, if for some reason they cannot take place tomorrow, then definitely day after tomorrow. What's on agenda is to take forward the discussions of the previous meeting. Both sides had made some proposals for disengagement, and how to take this forward is what the two sides will be discussing tomorrow. Also, on agenda is the fact that there are several contentious areas. It's not just restricted to Galwan and Pangong, so as was the case on the 6th of June when the co-commander level meet took place. So now it's obviously, the escalation has happened across Eastern Ladakh. So they will be discussing the mutual disengagement that was talked about in the previous meeting, how it can be taken forward.
Okay, thanks very much, Abhishek, for getting us that very important breaking update coming in from Ladakh.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.